favorite tourism leader in the entire world.
But alone I should go.
Maharaj, Raghunath also leads very excellent kirtans.
Oh, I brought the harmonium.
He leads very good kirtans.
Okay.
No. Forever. Not returning. I cannot return. So there's more think and then.
If you want to give your heart forever, then you can.
I will try to.
And she never got opportunity. So now she's coming here. She's like,
Very good.
So nice to meet you.
You are disciple of?
I'm disciple of Ravindra Swarup. Ravindra Swarup. But I just read Prabhupada's books.
She reads the books. Ravindra Swarup is GBC, Guru, and everything.
He's okay. I can help you.
That's great. My voice.
Oh, take it.
You're standing on it.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's also.
We're making a deal with so many basics.
Today I could not complain. They are talking without me.
जयो जयो राधा कृष्ण जुगल मिला
Sumangal. Oh, you are Madhumangal. Very good.
If everybody could move up a little, then everyone can fit in the
You can bring harmonium here. One kirtan you. Jai Jai Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giridharadhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giridharadhari Yashodanandana Bhaja Janarandana Yashodanandana Bhaja Janarandana Jamuna Vanajare अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्रिषे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। भक्त्या विहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्त्वाश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणान्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नय माम्। Parikshit Maharaj has passed about 5 days without taking any grain, water even, and always hearing very patiently. No disturbance of mind and hearing. In the middle, I want to ask a question. Is Mahibharat Prabhu is here? Oh. You know all Mahabharat. And that is why your Gurudev gave your name?
Mahibharat.
Mahibharat. You can answer. Can you answer that? What was the effect of Battle of Mahabharata when both parties, all the prominent heroes were killed? Only 5 Pandavas, Krishna, and 3 in
Kaurava side.
Kripacharya, Ashwasthama and Kritavarma were left, and all were killed. All the weapons, Dhanurvidya, archery, also ruined. All the ladies became widow. So really, what was the effect of this Mahabharata? You should tell very briefly.
One effect, Maharaj, was that Krishna eliminated the Kshatriyas who were overburdening the earth. The other effect is that he reinstalled King Yudhisthira as the emperor of the planet.
What?
পৃথিবীর ভারহরণ করলো আর যুধিষ্ঠির মহারাজকে সম্রাট রূপে ঘোষণা করলেন।
যুধিষ্ঠির মহারাজ
মানে এম্পারার করলেন আর পৃথিবীর ভারহরণ করলেন যুধিষ্ঠির।
Okay, anything else? Why Krishna came to this world? He promised in Srimad Bhagavad Gita and also in Vedas everywhere. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Was it established by Mahabharata battle? Was not. Really.
By battle, first 2 things were done.
Was it established?
Krishna has come to establish Yuga Dharma. No? Paritranaya, at Gita, in Gita it has told. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha duskritam. By doing 2 things, to establish dharma. Was it established by this battle? Was not. Huh?
No. Krishna
Anyone?
also spoke Bhagavad Gita on the battlefield.
Yeah.
गीता भी बोली उन्होंने युद्ध क्षेत्र में।
really it was established. All the demons was only false ego. I'm hero. I'm so intelligent. Fighting each other. Not following a real Atma Dharma. We are all eternally servant of Krishna. Kansa, Jarasandha, Duryodhan is all associates were denying this fact. So Krishna killed all the demons. And after that, what became? What Krishna has come to do in this world? To love each other. Even to love creepers. No? Krishna used to love creepers also. Creepers also to Krishna. Deers, animals, trees. Trees used to bend in the lotus feet of Krishna and give their pushpanjali in the lotus feet of Krishna and Baldev. So after Mahabharata battle, after 300 years after, first sitting of Srimad Bhagavat was there. Even that day, Srimad Bhagavat was not preached. But after 300 years, Krishna left this world, his associate left. Mahabharata battle was done. And then a time came to preach Srimad Bhagavatam. This was the aim and object of Mahabharata battle, that this should be preached, Srimad Bhagavatam. What is Srimad Bhagavatam? Love and affection to Krishna. Parikshit Maharaj was there, Sukadeva Goswami came, and he told this thing. After 200 more, after that, Dhundhukari and Gokarna was there. Again, second what?
Adhivesan.
Adhivesan means?
Second recitation of Bhagavatam.
Recitation.
Recitation or session of Bhagavat.
Session of Bhagavat. Held. And third, when Bhakti Devi became old with his two sons, and Narad went to his elder brothers, Sanat Kumar, four Sanat Kumar, and he told that all should listen Srimad Bhagavatam. All the problems for all human beings, all
Living
entities, for all times, all will be solved by this, by hearing and by following Srimad Bhagavatam. At the time of Mahabharata, before Mahabharata, they have no time to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. All were badly engaged in this sense gratifications and fighting each other like demons. So at that time, there was no time to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. But all the demons like Karna, Shakuni, Dushasan, Jarasandha, and Pandrik Vasudev, all were killed. Now there was a peaceful time. Oh, who are we? Is there any God or not? Who is controlling this world? Who is managing whole world? From where this world came? And why all problems coming? And then Srimad Bhagavat was introduced. Bhakti Devi at once became so young. His sons, Gyan and Barang, also they became. And there was peaceful in the world for some time. And then Srimad Bhagavat was preached in over everywhere. Especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. He was the embodiment of Srimad Bhagavatam. That is embodiment of Radha and Krishna both together. And he came only to give love and affection for all. In any way, all the conditioned souls, they have this like a seed in them. And that is why Krishna and his associates came in this world. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there was bhakti, there was love something, but not so developed. There were also so many Sampradaya Acharya like Madhva, Ramanuj, Vyas,
Vishnu Swami,
Vishnu Swami,
Nilkaditya.
Vallabhacharya, all they propagated these things. But not like a bhakti ras and so high like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates sprinkle their mercy for whole world. Not like this. At that time Narad was there before battle of Mahabharata. But no one was listening him. But when Mahabharata finished, and then he, whole world he was doing. Now he has sent something. He has kept Veena. And now he has taken Mridanga and Kartal with him. And everywhere in world going, we are not realizing this. In any shape, in any guru, Narada Maharaj also preaching all these things. So there was a good result of Mahabharata. Sometimes wars, great wars are necessary for these demons. They become like blind. They want to destroy whole world, but they cannot do anything. Now I am coming to my subject. Always you should know that Krishna will always manage this world. Always he is controlling. No one other to control. Even Brahma cannot do. Even Mahavishnu to control is very, but Krishna can control all very easily. He can control Brahma, Mahesh, Shankar and all. Now, before the birth of Krishna, you know that how Parikshit Maharaj, disturb mat karo.
आवाज नहीं जा रही पीछे महाराज.
क्यों दुख? So when Krishna has not appeared in this world, this Prithvi, the earth,
Goddess Earth,
was feeling so much disturbance. He can have a load of all worlds, but she becomes upset when the person having so false ego, thinking that I am this body, quarreling each other, doing so many bad activities like Duryodhan was doing with Draupadi and all others, then earth becomes so
it is burden for her.
always worry. She went to demigods, because demigods sometimes look over all this world to maintain peace and everything, but they could not do anything. So they all went to Shankar, and taking Shankar, they went to Brahma, and Brahma took them and went to Khir Samudra, and he began to pray in trance. Hearing his trance, his worshipable Garbhodasai Vishnu, he told in sky
Aerial voice,
like that, that my Prabhu has known that world is now suffering. Who is his Prabhu? Of Garbhodasai Vishnu. Who is Prabhu? Krishna himself. He has known. And quickly he will come. At once you should go and take your birth in Jadav family and tell your wives to go and to take birth there to serve Krishna Priya. all demigods to serve Krishna and their wives to serve Srimati Radhika. Quickly you should go. And he is coming. And then they returned and they began to take birth there. After some time, Vasudeva, there was a marriage of Vasudeva and Devaki. After marriage, he was sitting on the chariot, taking the reins of horses, reins of horses, and loving her younger sister, Devaki. He was carrying. In the meantime, again,
A
voice came from the sky that, oh, foolish person, you don't know that the eighth child of this Devaki will kill you. Hearing this, he became violent. And he took a sword in his right hand. And by left hand he took the hairs of and wanted to kill her. But Vasudeva was so intelligent and he was so Sahishnu, tolerant. If anyone has no tolerance, he cannot do bhajan of Krishna, never. So whether renounced person, brahmacharis or grihastha, we should be very tolerant, like Prahlad Maharaj, Haridas Thakur, like Srinivasa Acharya. You saw that his son was dead, even chanting and remembering. So tolerance is necessary. Tina dapi sunichena tarorapi sahistunana amanina manudena kirtaniya sada. If anyone chanting and remembering Krishna name and his pastime, but if he is not following Tina dapi sunichena this slok, then he is really not Vaishnava. We should not think. Sometimes we misguide in this. Anyone taken these Tulsi beads, chanting Hare Krishna, oh, we should think that, oh, he is Vaishnava. And when quarrels, have false egos, and doing nothing, chanting, living chanting, oh, he was Vaishnava but he has left. I think he was never Vaishnava and he never left. Only formality will not do. We should try to recognize Vaishnava. Agra hai mukti, tabe sarvabandhanas, tabe se haisne pare Vaishnava das. If anyone has not like that, he has attachment, worldly attachment, lakhs and lakhs desires, always quarreling for worldly things, he cannot be devotee. Outwardly taking mala, and this will not do anything. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rai Ramananda Sarup Damodar, in what process we should take and chant name, that being a devotee, we will attain prem, Krishna prem. Then he told, this is slow. He told Sarup Ram Rai, ki rupa laile naam prem upajay. In what process we will should try to take chanting name, then we will be real devotee and Krishna prem you attain easily. Oh, then he told, if anyone devotee following this slok, Tina dapi suni chena tarurupi sahisuna manina manudena kirtaniya sadahari. Then he is really a Vaishnava. He cannot fall down. Never. If outwardly he is falling down like Bharat Maharaj, like Chitraketu Maharaj, it is for teaching to world. Not they cannot fall down. So Vasudeva was like that. What is the meaning of Vasudeva? Where Krishna takes rest. He is Suddha Sattva. When we'll go in the stage of Bhavrati, then this Suddha Sattva will come to our heart and Krishna will take Vishram here. And pure name will be at in that stage. So he was so intelligent. So he told so many things. Why you are disturbed by this? She is your younger sister, like your daughter. Why you are going to kill her? Do you believe in that aerial voice? Yes. He thought, Vasudeva Maharaj, he is the demon. He is half believing and half not believing. If the aerial sound has told that you will be killed, then he will be must killed. Why all these things? So Vasudeva Maharaj has this very strong faith that he cannot kill Devaki. And because 8th son will come and he will kill Kamsa, surely. Anyhow, I should be any nimitta.
Instrument.
Cause. He cannot do anything. So he wanted to do something. He told that if this son, 8th son will be burned, I will give to you. Oh, I want to give my all childs. And first child he gave. Then he became very happy. And he returned that, go you. You are very true person. I believe you. So when that son will come, you can go. But in the meantime, Narada came. What you are doing? Oh, you are my very dear disciple. What you are doing? Nonsense. Don't do like this. If you are returning all these sons, then they will be very
grow up
and very strong, and then
jointly they
7 this and that one. They will easily kill you. You should not do. And demigods are very intelligent and tricky. If they will count from second, then who will come 8th?
First will be 8.
First will be 8. So which is first and which is last, which is 8th, which is 6th, it is no certain. So if first will be counting from second, then this will be 8th, and he will kill you. Why he did so? He was very much worried for Krishna coming. He was always waiting for Krishna. When he will come? And he knew everything, past, present and future. And if Kansa is not doing more bad things, then it may be delay of Krishna coming. So he asked. And he know that Atma is Ajaramar. Soul is immortal. And he cannot run. By this doing, Krishna will help them to be transcendental. Any very rare devotee can realize this. So here, after telling Narada Rishi went, and he went again to Vasudeva Maharaj. You should try to
Pacify.
No. He told that you should try to, a son will be, and which will kill Kansa. So you should try to support and nourish him very well. I am going. He was friend of both. No Shatru. If there was no Kansa, no pastimes of these all Krishnas. So someone realized the mercy of Narada Rishi. And after that, one by one, 6 sons were killed by Kansa. And when Shankarsan came in the womb of Devaki, by Jog Maya he was taken to the womb of
Rohini
Devi. And then first came Baladev Prabhu. Only 15 days before.
8 days.
8 days. 8 days. Krishna came, Baladev came on Purnima, And Krishna came
Ashtami.
on Ashtami. Only there was difference of 8 days between there. And that is why they're always, after birth, they are playing together. Their name ceremony was done in same
time.
day. They were like all friends. So both were there. After that, Krishna came in the 8th garbha of Devaki Devi.
This was also a question of, I think, Parikshit Maharaj. Why Baldev?
Yes. So, this question was answered. That first he came in the womb of Devaki. And 6 months he was there. And in 7 months,
He went.
Transfer.
he was transferred by Jogmaya in the womb of Rohini. In Rohini Garb, Baldev was there from before for 6 months waiting. And this went there. And this, the Devaki son and Vasudev son.
Rohini son.
No. The son of Devaki was part Krishna. He was Vishnu or Narayan Tattva. So this Baldev of Devaki was mixed in the Rohini Om with Baladev there. He was present there. And after again 6 months or 14 months, Baldev took place birth. And after 8 days, Krishna came in the womb of Devaki, partly. And he came full in the womb of
Mother
Jashoda Maya with Jogmaya there. Anyone could not know this mystery. Jogmaya knew. After that, when Krishna took birth in the prison of Kansa Karagar, in the prison of Kansa, he was 400, age about 16, very young, very beautiful, hair so long, curved, golden ornament,
All over.
like Sri Vatsa, here also, Shankh Chakra Gada Padma. A son does not come like this. So Krishna appears. As he appeared from the pillar,
Nishingadev.
Nishingadev, he appeared there, but not like a sun by Om. But he appeared there partly like Mahavishnu or Narayan. And then when he appeared, Vasudeva and Devaki began to pray him. Oh, you are himself, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna told, yes, I am the same. So long before, you were Prishni Garbha, Devaki, and Vasudeva Sutapa. And you are praying, you are doing so much hard austerities, more than 60,000 years. Standing on this toe, fits up, not taking air and water or anything. And then I appeared in the same way. I told that you should have any benediction. You both told that we want a son like you. Then I told, there is none equal to me. Asamordha tattva. There is none. So I must have to come like your son. And when he heard, then they began to more doing prayers and prayers. After that, Krishna told that you should keep me where? I am becoming like a boy. And take me to Gokul. And there, a daughter of Nanda Baba is there, Yashoda, and you should bring. But what became? When Krishna here in 400 he appeared, and there also in Gokul, Krishna came at the same time in full. And like a baby, here is Janma Leela, the pastime of
Appearance.
coming in Om, coming from Om there. And after some time, a baby also, daughter, lady baby.
Natural birth of a child.
And also after that, 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes after that, Yogamaya came, like a girl. So both were there, a son and a daughter there. When Vasudeva prayed that, I want that you should be a child, then I will obey your orders and I will take it to
Gokul.
In the same time, Krishna became like a child. And at the same time, Krishna in Gokul,
Was born.
he came here and took that 400,
Oh, he converted from 400 to
he
that
took
child.
Within
In
him.
him.
in him.
In him. He
And
merged
then
that form in him.
only child was there, no 400. And quickly he took there, and he kept there, and he took.
Yogamaya.
But here, it has been told in Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami is telling that Krishna was born in Mathura, and he took it to Gokul, and he brought a daughter from there, their daughters, and he exchanged. But we see that next day, Nandastu Atmaj Utapanne. Sukadeva Goswami first told that Krishna came from Vasudeva and Devaki. Why he is telling? That he knew that Parikshit Maharaj in the dynasty of relating to Krishna, Vasudeva Nanda. And he will be happy that he is doing everything. He has gone to Vrindavan, he has played all these things. Again he came to Mathura, again he went to Dwarka to please king. But he was hiding something there. It is true that Krishna is son of Vasudeva and Devaki, but partly with opulence, Narayan is like their bit, but Nandanandan is supreme personality of Godhead. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, and that who is he? That Krishna. He is telling. Also, he has told when he came, Vasudeva returned, taking a baby girl, and automatically the doors were closed. The Hatakadi and Bedi chains were locked in their hands and feet. And all guards, they woken. And they heard a voice of weeping a girl. At once they went to Kans. Kans at once came and wanted to kill this girl. But Vasudeva and Devaki were praying him that don't do so. But he was not a person to listen. He took her feet and he wanted to keep like this, that she should be smashed into pieces. But in the meantime, she went above in the sky and he became Ashtabhuja. 800 and so many weapons, and he was riding on a lion and told her, oh Kans, what can you do? And he gave some kick from here, feet, and he was upset and he was rolling down on the earth. Now he was saying that he is Griha Devata,
is my family
worshipable, and he began to do so many prayers. She told that Your enemy has taken birth already.
Anywhere else.
You cannot do anything to me. And she vanished. Here, Sukadeva Goswami now, he is telling, Adrishat Anuja Vishnu. When Kans was doing like this, and he came out from his hand and went to a sky. Adrishyat means disappeared. Who disappeared? This sister of Vishnu. Mane this Krishna. How he became the sister of Krishna? In jail of Kans, only Krishna was there, no daughter there. So Jogamaya is not sister of Krishna by this relation. How it became? If Krishna and that Jogamaya coming from the womb of Jashoda Maya, then they can be brother and sister. So here this point is. Because in Mahabharata, Khil Harivans it has written that Jashoda yielded 2 sons and 1 daughter. And they were mixed, that son in Krishna. So after that, Nakhalu Gopika Nandano Bhaman. Any Brajvasi cannot tell that he is the son of Vasudeva. Never. Even trees, creepers, what to tell of human? Gopi will never. I want to say that if Mathura-vasi are telling something and Brajavasi are telling something, which is true and to whom we should believe. Mathura-vasi always tells lie. In Srimad Bhagavad Vishwanath Chakravarti, Gita Srimad Krishna has told. Arjun told that I don't believe you. Then he told that, oh, no me bhakta pranashyati, you should promise. You should. I will not, because I may change my view. Because I am Mathura-vasi. Because who Krishna was in Kurukshetra, he was from Mathura, from Devakiyan, not Krishna that.
Not Yashodanandan.
So, gopis are telling, Nakhalu Gopikanandano Bhavan Akhila Dehinam Antradatmadi Vikhan Sartito Vishwaguptaye Sakhi Buddhiyaman.
Sattatankule.
Oh, you are surely the son of Jashoda Maya. Jashoda Maya is so merciful. But you are not merciful. Why? You must be merciful like Jashoda Maya. So you should appear here and meet us. Also,
No midhati abrabapuse.
Jayati te dhika janmana praja. Who is telling?
Gopi.
Vyas Devi is telling. Narad is telling.
Sukadeva Goswami.
Brahma is telling. Sukadeva Goswami is telling. Sukadeva Goswami only repeating their words. Na? Jayati te dhikam janmana praja. Oh, praja should be so glorious, so glorious. Why? Because when Krishna took birth in Vrindavan, Brajabhuvi, in Gokul, then Lakshmi used to broom everywhere to decorate. Like a dasi, like a maid servant. So here also, Janmana Braja is very prominent. Also, Tharo. Gopis are telling to Katyayani, you know, what they are? Katyayani, Mahamaye, Mahajogannadheshwari, Nanda Gopasutam Patime Kurute Nama. What they are praying? We want that the son of Nanda Baba should our husband. Then Katyayani told, yes,
it will be
like so. Krishna came and he, instead of Jogamaya never came, Katyayani never came. Krishna himself came and benedicted them. So he is a Nanda Suta. Putri bhute janardane. Putri bhute janardane. Also in Srimad Bhagavata is handled. When Krishna will be your son, Devaki and Vasudeva. Nanda Sunu, I am Arta Jananam. All the gopis are praying to Krishna. Nanda Sunu, I am Arta Jananam. Narmado Jarhi Kujitaben. That you are Nanda Sutta. Tavasuta. Tati Jadadhar Bimbe. Nanda Sunu, Anughe Tava Vasu. Also they are praying like so many things. Also, Devaki Janma Bhado, partly the son of Devaki, not solely and wholly. So when Sukadeva Goswami is telling to please Parikshit, but when he is observed in telling Harikatha, then he forgets to please. Also Brahma, our Guru, first Guru, he is telling, No midhate abrabapushe taditambaraya gunjavatansa paripachal sanmukhaya vannasraje kavalabhetra vishanuvenu lakshmi midupaje pasupangajaya. Here pasupanga, pasuk means gavi, gaya, go, pasu. And who is supporting and nursing and serving the cows is Pasupa, Nanda Baba. And his putra is Pasupa Angajaya from Jashoda Om Krishna. When this festival was going, there was some link with Mother Jashoda and that was cut. But this was not done in Mathura. In
Umbilical cord.
Yes. So, Swamiji has also written like this. He first has told anywhere that he was the son of Vasudeva and Devaki. And then he is adopted son of Vasudevendra. But when all this come, he adopted that Krishna is the son of Nanda and Yashoda. So we should try to realize all these things. Then
Maharaj, Brajvasi never knew that a daughter was also born?
No. Yes. They never knew. Never knew. After this, next day, after 2 days after the birth of Krishna, Putana came in Braja. And Nanda Maharaj at that time has went to Mathura to pay some toll tax to Kamsa. And in the midtime, in the night, Putana came and tried to kill Krishna in the shape of mother by very powerful
strong poison.
But Krishna took his pran also, life, soul and everything and gave him the gati of mother.
Motherly destination.
How he is so much merciful, Krishna. After that, he began to tell how Sakatasaur was killed, how Trinavat was killed. What are these things? How a demon can come in Vrindavan? It is impossible. When all the trees in Vrindavan, all the cows, all are transcendental. The place Vrindavan is transcendental place. How a demon can come? To renew the love and affection of Jashoda Maya Brajvasi to Krishna. How? I will explain all these things Now a kirtan should be done. Namami Nanda Nanda.
Drama today. Drama velocity.
Also, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite. In your, as you like.
I'm actually not familiar enough.
You know,
Leave
don't
that
know?
one.
No?
Not familiar enough.
You, Markande? Radhe Jaya Jaya? You can? Ah. You should do like. Oh, he can do? Or you should do?
ওই মেয়েটা আসছে করার জন্য
We can see here how merciful was Krishna. Who was this Putana? In her past life, she was the daughter of Bali Maharaj. When Baman Dev was cheating Bali Maharaj, begging only 3 steps of land, and when he told that yes, I'm giving, then he became so tall like Trivikram, and in one step he took whole earth. And second, from Tal Talatal Rashatal Patal to Brahmalo, Bhorgua Mahajana Tapasatya. And he told that where I should keep my third state. At once quickly he told, I am giving myself to you. You can take me also. And third state, he took himself. So, at that time when she saw Bali Maharaj, when he entered in the council of Bali Maharaj, Baman Dev, no, Bali Maharaj. When Baman Dev entered in the council,
আপনি বলেন বলি মহারাজ entered, বলি মহারাজ council.
Third. When Baman Dev came, as a boy, he was so beautiful, so charming. So daughter of Bali named Ratnamala. She thought in her heart, I want a son like this. Very beautiful, very lovely. Baman Dev knew it. And when she saw that he is cheating my father, being so tall, and he took everything, then she became very furious. Oh, if you will be my son, then I will poison you, give you poison, and I want to kill you. So Baman Dev, oh yes, you will have to do all these things. So in Krishna this pastime, she became Putana, like a sister of Kansa. And he came, and Jashoda Bhavan, and she took a vase, shape of mother, very lovely mother. By yog means
Mystic power.
mystic power. She took a shape of very lovely mother. At the age of 124, so beautiful. And she was so having so many golden ornaments. Very lovely. Smiling. Jashoda thought, and Rohini Devi, oh, she has come from
Heavenly planet.
she is like angels. And his actually mother, I am not mother, I am not qualified, not so beautiful as she is. And very lovely. Oh, my dear son, why you are sleeping on the bed? You should sleep in my lap. And taking Krishna, very beautiful, and caressing him. And he gave his what?
Our breast.
Breast. Krishna was thinking, what should I? He closed his eyes. How can I kill? But very trickily, he took his life and soul and everything. Poison cannot do him anything. That poison became nectar. And he took her life. Why? By this shape, she cannot come to me. So this body is rotten and full of so many egos, and so many things. So he destroyed. And she became like mother, eternal mother in Golok, Golok. And Krishna sent them very easily. Aho bakiyam stanakalakutam. Always she was taking the flesh and blood of very little boys. He was trying to act like hen bacha. Like that. Very. She used to take and drink the fresh bloods of little babies. He interned in Braja. But who child she was taking? Only demons. She could not see any devotion. In Bhagavad it is written. Those who were so much against Krishna
And friendship with Kamsa.
and they're friends of Krishna and their child will also will be like that. So he used to take them. And so Krishna is so merciful that anyone, if a link like mother and telling Krishna, oh my dear son, at once he can give. So if he will think that we are beloved of Krishna, oh Krishna beloved, oh my son Krishna, the son the relation will be there, then Krishna quickly will be so merciful to take us to Golok Vrindavan for eternal service. This is not imagination, not only the sentiment of this mood, not nothing. It is true, real. Even today we can see all these things. So Krishna is so merciful. So living Krishna, who will be so intelligent to serve all others?
So many demigods.
Demigods are anything else. So we should try to love Krishna with this relation. What is that? Initiation. Initiation means Guru gives any transcendental relation. And there is some relation. Guru only manifests it. If anyone not realizing these things, real renunciation has not been done. Only he was admitted for this, but he could not get. So Swamiji has come, or all Goswamijis and all the Guru Parampara has come only to do these things. We are all eternal serving, and we are related to Krishna. Gaur Pramanand. Now you should arrange for drama very quickly. Any Mahamantra? Quickly.
What is this? Tape recorder?
Down the road, bringing Krishna to us all. Through days on the road, trying to help us to recall. Through days on the road, bringing Krishna to us all. Don't you know that you're all you spirit soul, you know you are, you are, you are, that you're all you spirit souls, you know you are, you are. You spirit soul, you know you are, you are, you are. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everybody, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Gurudev's on Krishna's path, Krishna's order to unfoil. Gurudev's on Krishna's path, giving bhakti to us all. Gurudev's on the road, bringing Krishna to us all. He's telling, don't you know that you're all you spirit soul, you know you are, you are, you are. You spirit souls, you know you are, you are. You spirit souls, you know you are, you are, you are. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Our hearts begin to reel. Through days here to stay. You spirit souls, you know you are, you are. You spirit souls, you know you are. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Very demoniac. He's a very evil person. His plan must be terrible.
Good.
Many personalities, such as Banasura and Ravana, who
Why attract the attention of Lord Shiva?
you must build a sacrificial fire.
Instruction from Narada Muni, Rikashur quickly ran off to the city of Karna.
Come soon! Come now! If I keep offering my flesh, I'll soon be dead. I know. I'll offer Lord Shiva my head instead. Yes! Yes.
On the seventh day, took his bath in a nearby lake. Then, without drying his...
Oh, you've come. Oh, my lord, but you did not come when the offering was my own flesh. So of course I had to cut off my head and offer it to the fire.
I am very easily pleased by the simple worship of Ganga water and bilba leaves. Anyway, never mind. You have to think about this, because a benediction received by me can do great good for the entire universe. So you choose your desire to be.
I've decided. I know what I want. I'll explode, and he will die!
Oh! How horrible!
And then I will become immortal by killing everyone else. And then I will enjoy my life.
I am sorry I offered you this wicked desire, but I have promised.
Using your kind benediction will be your wife, Parvati. And the first person I will kill will be you.
Trembling with fear, Lord Shiva began to flee. He fled from the land deities like Indra, who lived. As soon as Lord Vishnu realized that Lord Shiva was in grave danger, he appeared as a young.
It's not good to place great strain and stress on your body. Remember the value of the...
Sukuni is my father. You know my family, dear Brahmachari?
Oh yes, I know Sukuni very well. Rikasura,
Yes.
remember what I said about the importance of the body? Your body? Please take my words very seriously and carefully.
Yes. You're right. I must take good care.
Oh.
Why are you laughing, my friend? Are you laughing at me?
Oh no, of course not. I would never do such a thing. Please, myself cannot believe that Lord Shiva has actually given you this benediction.
What?
Lord Shiva has not been exactly sane lately.
What?
He's crazy.
No.
Yes, he has become the leader of the ghosts and hobgoblins.
No.
Says.
No.
Yes, but you don't have to take just my word for it.
I don't? I'm confused.
You can find out for yourself. You should immediately kill the liar.
Yeah. I'll kill him if he lied to me.
He deserves to be killed, so he won't give out any more false benedictions.
Yeah.
Test it now.
Yeah. Yeah.
By the grace of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva was saved from being killed by Brickashur. Anyone who hears this history with great faith and devotion certainly becomes liberated from the material entanglement as well as from the clutches of its enemies. Thank you very much.
A person who commits offenses to great souls cannot continue to exist. He becomes destroyed by his own sinful activities. And this is true for this demon who is so offensive to you.
Narad. Here, this is Narad. This is Narad.
It changed already.
Oh. You should 2 and 1/4.
Yeah, he would like initiation.
Problem?
Yeah, I can. No, we
Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera.
Just act natural. Act normal.
This is like a curriculum.